So I'm at Kapam Bites in Lathrop, California. Check out this food truck because they're kind of new. How long now?
2 months.
2 months. 2 months on the scene. Filipino food truck here in Lathrop, California. In this video today, we're gonna check out something called the Tapa Silog, which is braised beef, garlic rice, egg,
And 3 lumpia.
and 3 lupias. Okay, let's do it. And maybe some other items too here at the truck. Pleasure to meet the owners of Kapam Bites. Which Kapam?
Kapampangan.
Kapampangan. Okay, Kapampangan is the area, huh?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. Auntie is preparing the beef shanks, stir frying. Again, you start smelling those aromas, maybe some of like what, soy sauce, ginger, onion, garlic. Looks masarap. What makes Filipino fried chicken? What? Secret? Oh,
It's my dad's recipe since when I was young, like 10 years old.
Which one? The chicken?
Yeah,
Oh.
they've been selling that since when I was very little in the Philippines.
Alright, so they are just preparing the tapsilog. Also, I'm gonna have some chicken. Halo halo is also on the menu too. But yeah, they're doing a fantastic job. Yeah, really excited to try this Filipino food truck here in Lathrop, California. At this like a food truck. What's this place called?
Later Food Plaza.
Lathrop Food Plaza is where all these food trucks are stationed at. Wow, it's a bucket.
My mom
The-
said it's okay.
What's that?
Mom said it's okay.
No, let me pay you something. Oh,
Thank you. Yeah.
are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
so kind. Thank you so much. Wow. Yeah, I'm humbled. Okay. It is hot out here. I don't know why I'm wearing like this sweater, but I am in Lathrop. First of all, big thanks to the owners of Kapam Bites, the perfect bite, just for first of all sharing your kitchen with me. Also, man, I had every intention to pay for the food, but they were so kind. She said, "Mom said just comp the meal, don't worry about it," and they took care of everything. Thank you so much, salamat. And again, I'm at the Lathrop Food Park. Gosh, I forgot the name. They mentioned it earlier, but this area where there's a bunch of food trucks here in Lathrop, off the freeway. That's the 580. But we have got the food, guys. Braised beef tapa silog with some Shanghai lumpia, an egg, and the rice, which silog again it means rice and egg. Beef shank is what they made it with. I know the sun's right behind me, so it's kind of pounding me, and it's hot right now. But hey, and also they also gave me a halo halo. I don't think I've ever filmed a halo halo on this channel. Yeah, I don't think so. This may be one of our first halo halos, or maybe one in such a long time. But halo halo, the traditional Filipino dessert, that ube, shaved ice, some condensed milk, beans, some jelly, some, what is that, like red bean, I believe. Take the first bite or sip of this halo halo. All right, switching the position because the lighting was just not good in that area, but I am just like exalted in the sun now. As I said before it starts to melt, I gotta try that halo halo. First bite, Kapam Bites food truck, Filipino food truck. Here we go with that halo halo. Bite. Ooh. Oh wow. Mmm. I had a nice chunk of that ube, and that is just yummy, sweet, soft texture, and that shave ice is just yummy. You taste that condensed milk, but you're supposed to mix. Actually, you're supposed to like kind of stir it so that it'll start to formulate within this cup. Yeah, that's just gonna go ahead. I'll mix that a little bit more. Let me take a sip because it's kind of like protruding almost out of the cup. It's so full they hooked it up big time. Okay, here we go. Slurp. Ooh, that is refreshing. That's halo halo, and it's not like the ice cream version of the ube. It's kind of the mashed ube, but that works. That is yummy. That is kapam bites, halo halo, and I'll let that just continue to absorb all those yummy ingredients. Let's get to the meal. There you have it. The beef shank, the garlic rice, that egg. It is time. So maybe the first thing we'll do, as you seen Auntie prepare the beef shank, and oh boy, that just feels and looks and smells yummy. And we have a bunch of these sauce options too. Let me pop those open. I believe this is a sweet and sour. Then you have some chili, fried chili, and then this is the all iconic vinegar. All right, let's do it. I am absolutely gonna get like a tan after this video. First bite. Wow. Oh, the flavor in that, yeah. The pepperiness, the soy, and that meatiness, just a nice rendered, and that just easily collapses. Just really just like shredding apart in your mouth. That beef shank is yummy. There's definitely a lot of it too. Yeah, they don't skimp out on the meat options here. That is yummy. Wow, the juicy fattiness. Okay, I'm gonna actually have this next bite. We'll go with, let's have it with some vinegar now. So we'll do a little dip in the vinegar. And don't drink the vinegar. The Manny Pacquiao video, I almost got knocked out by the vinegar, so no drinking this. We'll take a bite. Bite. Ooh. Yeah, that vinegriness, man, gives it some like sourness, some acidity, some more flavor for sure. But that beef is flavorful on its own. That definitely is yummy. Okay, maybe we'll go ahead and try the garlic rice now. Look at that, nice circular egg, perfectly round. Okay, so I guess we'll have some beef. Let me get the spoon now. All right, we got the spoon. Yeah, we'll get some of the rice, and then apply that a piece of beef right on top. Okay, there's our rice bite right here. Beef and garlic rice. Bite. Oh, that rice is cooked perfectly to my liking. Yeah, the fluffiness, the graininess, the garlickiness of that rice. Oh, that is delicious, man. Let's add some of that chili. There's some chili here. Let's add some of this on that bite, just right on top, like so. Yeah, okay. And yeah, some chili flakes on this next bite here. The heat is beating me up, but this food is so good. Here we go, bite. Ooh, that's hot. That's definitely got a nice peppery chili kick to it. Yeah, I wonder what kind of chili pepper she uses in here. Yeah, that's got a little kick, and I love it. Wow. Grab one of these lumpia pieces, little Shanghai lumpia. Oh, well, yeah. And we'll use a dip of vinegar. Bite. Like a veggie lumpia. Shards of carrots, potatoes. Not tasting any meat in here, but that is a lovely, yummy Shanghai style lumpia. Ooh. All right, man, let's go ahead and break into that silog. The egg and rice. So, yeah. There goes the egg. Rip that open. have a piece of that egg. And then I'll make a nice rice bite. Oh, we got some chilies on here already. We could pour a little bit more chilies on this bite. Or a lot of it. That's gonna be hot. And then we'll chase it with, well, I mean, I could try to fit it all in one bite, all in one spoon. Beef, rice, chili. I gotta hold it so it doesn't fall. Here we go, oh no, bite. Oh. Oh yeah. That chili does wonders. But that garlic rice and the egg and the beef shank, that combination is just like spectacular. Masarap. And you know what I'm gonna say. That's Filipino right there. I'm looking forward to trying this here. She gave me not one, I asked for one piece, but she gave me not one, she gave me 2 pieces of chicken. Very generous. And this is a recipe that she said her dad had prepared years ago, a long time ago. She grew up with a fried chicken recipe. Yeah, Filipino fried chicken. So let's give that chicken a bite. Rip that open. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh man, we're gonna hear that crunch. Okay, let's take that bite of the fried chicken. Bite. Ooh. Oh yeah, there's a hint of Filipino element on this. The pepperiness, that flavor, that secret ingredient is just kind of embedded in that, probably in the batter. And oh, that is yummy. Wow, that is good. Another bite. We'll chase it with rice. Ooh, rice. Bite. That garlic rice is on point. But that chicken is absolutely delicious. Yeah, similar to like traditional American fried chicken, but there is a hint of Filipino influence in that fried chicken. I believe it. I taste it. Yum. We gotta get back to the halo halo now. Kind of cool down a little bit. Mix, mix. Slurp. Oh yeah, there's a nice, you can't see it, but oh, it's on this side. Nice chunk of ube pieces right there. Bite. Yum. Yeah, just gonna continue working on the food here in Lathrop Food Park or food area. Kapam Bites, Filipino food truck. Check them out if you're ever here in this area. Show them some love, much appreciated, and that's about it. If you want more Filipino inspired content or other food related videos, check out my channel. With that said, enjoy the bite life. Later.